Cancer is devastating to any family, especially when a child has cancer. That's one reason Munson Medical Center teamed up with DeVos Children's Hospital to try and make everyone's lives a little easier during such a traumatic time. Michelle Dunaway explains how the partnership works in today's MedWatch report.
You can like make clay like I did with this little tulip. And I made a little tulip and put it onto a piece of paper.
7-year-old Caitlin Posey is a bubbly, vivacious kid who loves art. Hard to tell this youngster is battling leukemia.
I like to come to the art table, and when I get like my treatments done, I get my port accessed and I get my medicine, like my heparin and chemo.
It sounds almost foreign to hear those kinds of words come out of her mouth.
I feel normal. It's just like, I don't know, like medicine flowing in my body. It doesn't really feel weird. Yeah. It feels cool.
But this was not normal life when doctors first diagnosed Caitlin in July of 2015.
It was devastating. She was a normal kid, active, full of energy, but she had been covered in bruises. And I'd been questioning it for a couple weeks and asking my friends, saying, you know, is this normal?
When Sarah noticed her daughter was basically getting bruises in her eye, her doctor ordered a blood test, and the results sent the family to the DeVos Children's Hospital in Grand Rapids for 2 weeks.
As long as she was in regular treatment, she'd be receiving chemo every week. And oftentimes she'd receive a lumbar puncture with sedation and get chemo that way.
That meant weekly trips to Grand Rapids for a year.
When I have to go downstate, it takes up my school time, and I don't like missing learning.
That was until Caitlin got into the maintenance stage. Then she could get treatment closer to home.
We want the kids to keep their lives as normal as possible. So we want them to stay in school. We want them to stay connected to their friends. We want them to be able to do their extracurricular activities. And that really helps both the children and the families.
That's why DeVos has partnered with Munson Medical Center to make lives easier for the smallest patients and their families.
The concept for our clinic up here in Traverse City actually came from the nurses. The Munson oncology nurses knew that there were patients up here that were having to travel long distances, and were wondering if there's some way we could incorporate pediatric oncology care here.
Much better being up here, and I just want to say thanks to all my doctors because they're letting me do that.
We were ready to just be normal again, and that's what I feel like we are. I feel like we're a normal family. We can make plans and take weekend trips and things we just couldn't do that first year.
And the best part is, life is about to get even more normal for the Posey family.
Down in September, her port will be removed, and we'll still have monthly appointments here at this clinic to check her counts and check her blood work, but no medicines after that.
Excited, because I think maybe a month or a couple after that, I get to go on a cruise. We looked at it, and it has like a big water slide.
For MedWatch, I'm Michelle Dunaway.